Nice rise. Good for two. Rosas. Iverson. Tres. Pass. Rosas na nabubukad back. Pass to teammate. Number two. Good for two. Iverson pass to Kobe. To Santos. Libero. Cuevas. No. Libero. Wala ulit. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal. Ayun na, Rosas. Rosas. Nandun na si Rosas. Wala. At nag-reboundan. Rosas fires. Good for two. Namami laban naman. Tempak bro. Hindi, kakak. Lipit kakak. Cuevas. Fires along long. Right. Rosas pass to teammate. To Castillo. Castillo pass to Libero. To Cuevas. Fires straight. Right. Ayun na, Rosas. Rosas lipat. No good. Ayun na, ulan sa bola. Number 29. Stop and pump day. No good. Rebound by Libero. Cuevas to Castillo. Good for two. Steal by Delino. Offensive foul. Martin crossing the timeline. Being guarded by Cuevas. Pass to teammate. Sa gilid. Tinira na. No good. Good for two by jersey number 5. Azares dribble ball. Azares pass to Castillo. Alcantara. Shot clock down to 10. Steal. Rosas nilipat. Kasi siya basket. Azares to Alcantara. Steal. Out the pass. Still again by Cuevas. Castillo. Pinasa. Imo play. Still by Rosas. Rosas. Easy to points. Castillo. Castillo al play. Azares. Fire out. Number 5 is ganyan lang siya. Number 22. Pandigal. Magandang gabi. AKA Bisnet. Kabarang-kabarang ang hanap ng resort. Flash good. Castillo. Tinira na. No good. Rosas. Reverse shot. Good for two. Cuevas. No. Alcantara on the rebound. Cross-court pass, still by Martin. 30 seconds to play. Martin on the running. Ganda Plaza. Good for two. 15. 10. 5 seconds. Pasa na po kasunod yan. Azares. No. Number 19, Martin. Moving the ball past his teammate. Iverson. Ay, natinira na. No good. Santos. Good for two. Martin. The court general. Pass to teammate. To another teammate. Tinira na idol. Wala. Nakuha ni Azares. Still again. Rosas. The Mr. Basic. Fade away shot. Good for two. Walang kaarte-arte maglaro. 15 seconds to play, to shoot. No good. Napakataas naman ang talo ni Azares. Parang wala nang kinabukasan. Sa gilid. Tinira na na idol. Rosas. Reverse shot. No good. Delino on the rebound. Iverson out the pass. Person fires a long ball. In and out. Martin on the running. Number 20. Martin, wide open three. Blast. Castillo puts it up. No good. Now on it, guys. Rosas. Ayun. Teammate. Santos to Kobe. Steal by X-Rice. Rosas out the pass. Martin. Good teammate. Easy to point. Setting the play. Pass through the Jesus again. Ali play. Kobe. Easy to point. Pressure defense na naman. Para sa Birds. Ayan na si Idol. Steal by Cuevas. Cuevas. Steal again. Number 5 to Martin. Rosas to Martin. Good for 2. Pass to Colby. Shot clock down to 10. Kobe Castillo to Iverson. 3 seconds to shoot. Ayan now Martin slicing the defense. DX Rise. Good for 2. Jesus dribbling the ball. Jesus. Santos is the point. The Mr. Basic. Rosas pass to teammate. Number 23. DX Rise. Hindi na kayo ko si Idol. Alcantara. Ayan, Idol. Huli yan. Okay. Martin. Sakiret. Rosas. No good. No. Fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound by Jesus. Kobe. Ayan, still by number 5. Number 5 on the running. Rosas, the Mr. Basic. Ayun. Wali. Iverson to Kobe. Gets the basket. Martin. 15 seconds to shoot. Martin pass to teammate. Rosas to teammate again. Number 23. No. Follow-up shot. Wala ulit. Hanggang sa wala. Rebound by Alcantara. Pass to Iverson. Jesus. Jesus. High play. No good. Martin. No good. Ako ba naman? Easy 2 points na. Iverson. Offensive foul. Martin. Rosas. Number 23. Good for 2. 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Delino no good. 3 seconds shot clock. Hindi yan tumama ng ring. Last 2 minutes. 15 to shoot. Still by Alcantara. Jesus. 15 to shoot. Still. Still again. Alcantara is 2 points. Rosas. First throw by Rosas. Second throw para kay Rosas. Gets some ball. On the pass, still. Martin. Pass to Rosas. Levad easy 2 points. Still. 10 seconds to shoot. Fires a 3, no good. Number 23 puts it up, good for 2. Exactly 1 minute. Castillo. Kobe. Lilipat. Kobe is in the points. 50 seconds. Martin. Good for 2 by number 23. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. Thank you. Castillo. Shot clock down to 12. Wala akong nagtira. 30 seconds. Still. Twenty seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. 5 seconds.